Morning. As of right now, it's 12:52. I've been up for like a couple hours. Amber's still like dead to the world, and the girl went to bed before I did. But today, I'm hoping Amber like magically wakes up and I don't have to go wake her up because I feel like a horrible roommate when I do that. But I just want to hang out with her. Amber. Amber. Nah, I think I'm gonna go to Starbucks and get some caffeine for my body.
Okay, so today is homework day. Even though I slept in till like 5, I decided to study. And guess who's with me? Yay! That would be Vanessa and Ashley. Aren't they adorable? But but yeah, we'll do that. But yeah, so we're doing studying together. Kind of studying, mainly just listening to country music because there's nothing better to do.
True.
And now they're just gonna stare at the camera. Okay, yeah, and Maya should be home soon. I hope she comes home soon.
Oh man.
Because there's so much I need to gossip about.
Yeah.
Anyways.
Yeah. Maya, get your butt home. Come on.
Jeez, Maya.
It's like 9:45. I have to leave for the bus in like 15 minutes. I work at 11 until 5. And I just want to stay in my bed for so long. I'm so tired. So tired. Hi, I'm on break at work in the back room, hanging out for another like 15 minutes or something. I don't know. Either way, I'm tired. It's Sunday. I want to go home and I want to get in my bed and not get out of it for a couple days. But just kidding. I have to study and I have an exam tomorrow, and then after my exam I'm coming here. Yeah. I'm going to my first college exam. I read it in like a half hour. And I like definitely probably did my eyebrows like a little too strong, but yeah, here we go.
That's it between Ian and
So Monday morning, not really bright and early considering it's 11:30, but I'm just getting ready. I'm eating breakfast because I'm gonna go meet up with my friends, Spencer and Griffin. I'm gonna study with them for a bit. Hopefully not freak out for my exams. I've got 2 back-to-back exams this evening, bio and then economics, so that'll be fun. Lots of fun. So yeah, I'm having my cereal. I'm sitting beside Whoopi, and yeah, so it's been a fun morning. Anyways, Wish me luck on my exams. I'm gonna need it.
Going to get toast. Like,
Honestly, same. I'm like literally, I just wing life.
yeah, right?
Life is a chicken wing, and I shall eat it.
Like that Tinder profile with like the bikini.
The chicken on the yeah.
No, today Spencer told me, he was like, oh yeah, like I saw this Tinder profile of this chicken wing and it was like, had like a bikini tan line on it. And I was like, oh, I saw that too. He was like, wait, how? It was a girl profile. And I was like, a friend.
It's a thing.
A friend showed me. Yeah, a friend.
Chocolate.
Ha 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 ha.
Hey, so I just got back from exams. I just did bio and econ and I crushed it. So I'm super excited about that. Maya's not here though. So I think I'm just going to see if I can get some to come over and sit in uncomfortable silence with me while we both do homework. Can't wait. Hello, meet Bean.
Really?
Okay, well that was short and sweet.
Short and sweet.
Oh, he said words. I'm proud of you.
I was gonna say that's how I like it, but that's not a good thing to say.
Okay, all done.
This whole talking to yourself in public thing is weird. Plus, like, it's hella dark. I'm walking back on campus to the Res building. I just finished work. I'm going home, eat food, and poop. Meh.
Hello, Ben. Bean.
Hold your horses.
I don't have horses.
Smokes.
And I don't smoke.
Can I have two?
Gosh, Julie, darn it.
Can
Ankle.
I have another one? Pink. Can I have another one?
I have to go get the cable.
Alright.
Movement.
So I was just hanging out with Ian, and today's his last full day here at the Gonk before he goes home to Saskatchewan for Christmas. So I hung out with him for like 2 hours, I think, while he was like just finishing up packing and that kind of stuff. I'm gonna miss that kid so much. Jesus. I'm getting ready for work right now. I'm just gonna put on a sweater, change my shoes, grab my coat, hopefully hit up Starbucks. Like, if the line's short, I'll go, but if it's not, then I'll have to skip it. So, yeah. So I'm on break again. Like a different day, whatever. I'm in the back room. I'm on break. I am about to do some phone surgery because my phone screen, like, at the top is popping out. So, I mean, we'll see how this goes. I might just break my fucking phone, but I hope not. I'm still in the back room, but I fixed my phone. Apparently, according to these people, you just gotta push really hard, which I was very scared of, honestly. Yeah.
Oh no. Really?
Hello. Hi, Jenna.
Hey!
How you doing? There you go.
Okie dokie. So, Maya's not here yet, but she's getting home soon, and we're gonna food because starving. And yeah, Ashley, Vanessa, and Jenna came over and made me clean by like cleaning themselves, and then I was like, wait, they're in my house. I'm obligated to start cleaning too. So yeah, that happens. So there's like a lot of like cleaning going on. Say hi.
Hi!
Jenna, I think, might be dead.
Jenna's dead.
It was nice knowing her. I'm gonna steal all her cute clothes.
She's laughing.
But yeah, so Jenna will, or not Jenna, Maya will be home very soon. And then, yeah, I've missed her because she's been gone all day and it's very upsetting. So yeah, don't laugh at me. Okay, yeah. So there's one of these little chair thingies on our floor. So we're now going to sit in every single one of them on every single floor because we have nothing better to do with our lives.
Honestly,
It's a little sad.
I know. But right now we're on 5th floor, so this is what the 5th floor little hidey spot looks like. Maybe one time we'll catch someone.
We'll catch someone?
Catch.
We might catch them all.
Gotta catch them all.
Okay, okay, we're done now. Let's do it, okay.
So 4th floor doesn't have one, so we're doing a wall set. It's horrible. This sucks. What are we doing? I want to give up. I'm up. Amber gives down. I give up.
Amber's dead.
So we know for a fact there isn't one here. Anyway.
Or on second.
I waltzed it again. I'm over it. I'm a flat foot. Where's the middle? Do we know anyone?
Second.
I've been hit. I've been hit. I've been hit. Quiet up.
Don't watch me, it's gonna be not so pretty.
That was like uncomfortably close to my face that has food.
You guys gave me the camera.
Oh wait, never mind. Oh yeah, no, 20 minutes ago, not 4 minutes ago. We like know you exist in this universe. What if we have the wrong door?
Have you guys like actually try knocking? Because I can barely hear that. When you do this.
When you do that a little, push someone's bladder.
Why are you recording this?
They have a vlog.
Oh Jesus!
You know this. Have you not seen it?
I didn't know I was gonna be in it.
Did you ever put up the first video?
Yeah, it's
Yeah, they did.
Yeah, they
Oh, I've only seen the first one then.
But
Okay,
what-
no.
Vlogging right now.
We're vlogging right now.
No.
Yeah.
Hi.
Nathan and I are going to Starbucks.
The place I work at.
Yep. That's true. We do work there. We just puddled with Bamber, and it was enjoyable, and I really wanted to sleep.
She's so sleeping right now still.
No, she's showering.
No, she's not. She's going back to bed.
She's
Be
gonna
real.
shower. She's gonna shower.
Be real, she's going back to ladies. Very
What do you have to say for yourself, Nathan? What'd you get at Starbucks?
I got a coffee.
Hey. What kind of coffee?
Pike roast.
Oh, pint roast. Look at
Seriously?
you. So yeah, you gotta
Wow.
go, man. You're in squad. You gotta participate in squad vlog.
Oh, what did you get, Maya?
I got me. My name's spelled wrong. That's what I got.
Oh.
Bitches. A soy chai latte. As if that's so fucking surprising.
What size?
A venti soy chai latte.
There
That
you
I
go.
said for the 3rd time today because that's what I get every time. And I've gotten Starbucks.
So we got venti soy chai latte for Maya.
Honestly, if you ever see that, you're gonna
Half
be like,
sweet.
Maya, where's Maya? Yep. And then for Bamber, I got her a
Bamber.
berry hibiscus refresher with light ice.
With a light ice.
Yeah.
That means more water. That's literally what it means. It's more water.
Yeah, I know, but she always struggles because if you get to like a certain point, it's just ice and berries without like liquid left. And so she doesn't like that. So I always get it for her with light ice.
Yeah, I mean, that's what you want is with light ice.
Yeah, I know.
But people hate it. Oh, and there's my friend Neil. Hey, Neil.
I knew that was me.
How's it going? Going to an exam? Yes, I know. I'm recording this. I don't know why. I'm told to.
Hey, Jordan. How's it going?
Good,
oh, that's Nathan. This is Nathan.
I'm Nathan.
That's Jordan.
Hey, Jordan. I don't know this guy. He says he knows me, but I don't know him.
Squad chat.
Squad chat?
Yeah,
oh,
that's Squad
Jordan?
chat Jordan.
That's the one guy that we haven't seen before. Hi.
Yeah. I love your socks.
Okay, that was weird. Okay, this is on you.
You can stop.
Can you do it? Can you do it? My arm is sore from holding this camera.
Right. Which is why I'm so happy it's you that's doing it.
Oh, and there's Theo using my program. just doesn't even acknowledge
Just
me.
no eye contact.
No eye contact, no nothing.
He probably just wasn't paying attention in his defense.
No, he was there. He was all there. Oh, the balancing act.
Down. Just kidding, my thumb's wet and I can't slide it out. There we go.
I'm doing this really bad.
It's okay. Watch Amber still be in bed.
I would bet money on it, but I have no money.
I'm impressed by this.
Yeah, you might want to hold on to that properly though.
No.
If you drop that, I'll be very sad, and you'll have it all on tape.
Yeah, I know.
That still scares
And
me.
she's in the shower.
Yay!
I'm mad that I'm awake now. So angry.
Hey y'all. Mine and Amber's bad. We didn't really vlog on Thursday and Friday because we were too sad. That's what I'm putting it down to. We were too sad because Christmas break started and then we don't live together anymore. So we're both like a lot heartbroken by it. But like we'll live together in January still, obviously. But like we're just spending 3 weeks apart, but we're gonna try and like hang out and all that kind of stuff still too. So like the vlogs are gonna like change a bit. So it'll be like, here's what Amber did today, here's what mine did today, here's what Amber did today, here's what mine, like it'll be that type of way. I miss her so much. We were on the phone last night for like over an hour and then we were like, I am so tired, I'm going to bed. And I'm like, I miss her so much. Oh man. All right, let's not start emoting right now. So yep, we fucked up. Please like us anyway. The universe looked at me and said no.